case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Once upon a time in 1969, a major contractual dispute brewed between Monroe Street Properties Inc. and Western Equities Inc. This legal tussle, subsumed under Monroe Street Properties Inc. v. Carpenter, ended up in the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit. The essence of the dispute revolved around the core tenet of contract law, the doctrine of performance. Monroe and Western Equities had mutually agreed to a deal under which Western would acquire 10 insured first mortgages and notes from Monroe for $1 million, payable in Western's common stock. However, this grand bargain hit the rocks when Monroe failed to deposit the agreed mortgages and the associated title policy into escrow. In reciprocation, Western held back from depositing its stock. In defense of its failure to fulfill the contractual conditions, Monroe posited that it was incapable of providing a clear title to the mortgages without leveraging the Western stock to offset previous financial obligations. However, this line of defense fell short in the courtroom. The lower court adjudicated that Monroe's performance under the agreement was inadequate and absolved Western of any breach of contract. Unfazed by the lower court's ruling, Monroe entered the arena of appeal. It contested that it had the capacity to deliver the clear title during the contract's life. Regardless, the court remained unimpressed and dismissed Monroe's appeal, steadfastly supporting the prior judgment. The court ruled decisively in favor of Carpenter, the trustee for Western Equities, affirming that Monroe had faltered on its contract obligations. The failure to meet the terms of the agreement by the date Western's stock was listed on the American Stock Exchange crystallized the verdict. It was determined that both parties' duties were concurrent, and thus, if one party did not perform, the other was released of its obligation. A legal principle was reasserted compellingly. A contract is as good as the performance it attributes.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.